Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Extra crispy fries, homemade, are on the menu today. Here's what we need to make these fries: russet potatoes, lemon juice, ice cubes, oil for frying. Obviously, if you're going to season them, you need the seasoning that you're going to put on the fries. Or you want to peel your potatoes for less waste, you want to use a potato peeler, but I'm going to use a knife today. All right, so you want to square the ends after that, and you're going to cut these into fries. As soon as you do that, you want to fill a bowl with cold water. Now you're going to rinse these fries after you cut them. You're going to rinse them until the water in the bowl is clear. When the water in the bowl is clear like that, very, very clear, you're going to leave it, but it must be extremely cold water. All right, so you're going to put a tablespoon of lemon juice in. You're going to stir this around, and then we're going to put some cubes of ice in here. Now, once we put cubes of ice in here, we're going to leave this for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we're going to heat our oil to 325, that's fine. So we're going to take these fries out and we're going to dry them on a paper towel. That's a step I'm not going to show, but you're going to dry them before you put them in here. That ensures crispiness as well. All right, so we're going to put these fries into the deep fry, into the oil. So the deep fryer, the pan, whatever you're using, I'm going to put it in 5 to 6 minutes. So we're going to make sure that these cook through. After 5 to 6 minutes, if you look on the side, you see I've got a cooling rack there with a pan underneath, a sheet pan. So we're going to put these fries onto this cooling rack. All right. Then we're going to leave these fries for about 15 minutes. Don't put them on a paper towel to drain them, because it's not going to work. You're not going to get the crispiness that you're looking for if you do that. So these must be put on a rack so that that air is circulating around the fries. Now at this point, you want to heat your oil back up to 350, 375. So you're going to put your fries back in for a second time. Only this time you're going to put them in for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until they're golden brown and crispy. All right, so after that 2 to 3 minutes, we're going to take them out. We're going to put them back on the rack again. Now, obviously, at this point, when you put them on the rack, after it comes out, you're going to season them at that point. Salt, pepper, lemon pepper, whatever you're going to put on your fries. All right, so it's important to me for my fries to be extra crispy, because I like a lot of ketchup or mild sauce on mine. So I have to make sure my fries are crispy. Otherwise, they'll get soggy underneath whatever condiment I use on them. And I do not like soggy fries. I really don't. So that's our fries once we are done. I wish that I could have hit on them so you could hear them, but I had to do a voiceover for this one. All right, everybody. Y'all better go make these. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. For more great recipes, tips, and ideas, check out some of my other videos.